Hey, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today, let's go to testing at the same strategy that I shared with you for pocket option, but with the broker QUOTEX. Let's go to see if it is writable or not. So let's rock with this video. Okay guys, first thing we have to do is add the indicators. So let's go to using 3 exponential moving average, 1 period, this case gonna be 10. Okay, back, another moving average. This one is gonna be period 30, it's exponential moving average, yellow. Okay, back, another moving average, 200, exponential moving average. Okay, that's it. And let's go into the stochastic oscillator. Okay, let's go to change this to 80 and 20. It's a little bit different here, this one's between the pocket option. So let's go to search the RSI indicator, and this is good. So that's it. We are gonna use this one. So let's go to watch the charts and trade for 1 minute. Charts, let's go check it out. First thing we have is change for the best payouts. Okay, let's go to search for the best payouts. Trading for 1 minute. Trading in OTC. Let's go to check it out. Changed for trade for 1 minute of trading. Let's go to trade with $100. We are trading with the same strategy. Remember the crossing, the moving average in this case is blue and yellow. Going down, follow the down direction, we have a downtrend. This is a stupid trade for me because never cross it, take it quickly, and maybe it's gonna change the trend because it's going up right now. So I have to stay down of the price that I put. My trade now looking good. Remember, we are trading for 1 minute using the strategy that I teaching you for pocket option, but right now trading with the broker QUOTEX. So how much money you need to have in your balance to be writable with trading? Definitely more of $10. Okay, start with $100 or more if it is possible, because start with $10. It's gonna be a hard journey for you if you want to be writable with this. The same strategy, right? Waiting to crossing, going down the moving average, waiting to crossing, going down to the stochastic, the RSI, waiting for that opportunity. Charts in 15 seconds, trading for 1 minute, and start right now, waiting for if they can have profits with this trade. And let's go to see how ended for us. Just looking bad, but have a huge gap. This OTC market with FOREX. This is a gap. All this looks bad. No, I think it's gonna be all the money. We have to trade with this. Searching opportunities. All the money, guys. Okay, remember the strategy is the same, but sometimes the market moves different. I read that comment, and someone says you're testing in QUOTEX and IQ options looks different. The charts maybe it's manipulated. I don't know. We are waiting for what's in the money. Okay, and I consider I take it again. Waiting for stochastic. Show me a change of the direction. And the reverse side too. The reverse side too looking going down. It's coming. This one was a good one because crossing the stochastic oscillator going up, the result looking good too, and crossing the moving average. This is 3 indicators working together and telling me right now is the best moment to take the trade. The previous that I take it was a risk trade because never cross it, and the stochastic oscillator is touching the period 80. It's complicated, but I believe it can continue with the uptrend this pair. So we have this one in the money. Let's go to search another one. This is for downtrend, and this is looking good because it's gonna cross into the moving average, cross into the stochastic oscillator, and it's going down to the RSI. I'm waiting to cross in the moving average to have third confirmation because the stochastic looking good, the RSI looking good. We need to have waiting to cross in the moving average to have the third confirmation and trade. It's going up. Oh, come on. You're kidding me, right? It changed quickly the stochastic oscillator. Look at this. Now it's good. Change the direction to going up. Oof. Crazy. This candlesticks. Come on, going up, crossing the moving average. Cross it. And cross it. And crossing the moving average. We have another one in the morning. Well, the strategy works for OTC market with the QUOTEX. Today is 8 o'clock New York time. It's a good and stable market to trade. I like it trading this hour because the market is it's a quiet market and looks good. So I hope this video like it. I'm gonna record more videos with QUOTEX to using this to strategy, testing it, and tell me what are you waiting for to start generate profits with binary options. And if you want to be part of my day trading signals group, you can join us. Go to the link below this video, day trading signals group, and we are gonna receive signals for 1 minute for binary options using the broker pocket option, or you can use into the broker QUOTEX if you want it. The strategy is very easy to understand. The admin always telling you check this pair before to send in the signal, and you can have that short time to search the pair and take the trade on time. We are gonna have a good price and discounts this month because remember it's Black Friday, and you go here, select the plan that you want, monthly, 6 months, yearly. Remember, we are going to have a discount the next days to this day trading signals group to be part of my community and receive binary option signals and forex signals. So I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.